guys, are you sick of your meals tasting like shit? Well, guess what? We're at Meijer and we're gonna help you create a meal that doesn't taste like your ass. Welcome along my husband with his Alani Nutrition.
Witch's brew, because I got a hoodie on and I'm dying for a fat ass.
New spooky merch is live. And if you don't know, my name's Des. I also go by Desby, and this is your new favorite YouTube channel. That's very average. Don't be moody, grow your booty. While I'm at Meijer, I just got a text for Alani's 1 million giveaway. Literally giving away a Tesla or $90,000, a Ford Bronco or $40,000, and also 100 additional $100 giveaways. So make sure you guys go enter on Alani. If you ever shop Alani, use code DESB, because as you guys know, everything just tastes better with my code. What we are making today, I didn't even tell you guys, we're making healthy, macro-friendly meatballs. So we're gonna grab the ingredients, I'll show you what we get, and then we'll create it and enjoy it. We're grabbing great old Aunt Millie. She's actually related to Wyatt, which is crazy.
Yeah, that's why I like her buns so much.
Yeah, okay, that's weird. You like your aunt's buns. Just kidding. So this is what we're gonna use. You can use any type of bun really, but 37 carb, 2.5 fat, 6 protein. Obviously you would only be probably eating like 1 meatball sandwich, so perfection. Saw my video a couple weeks ago where we went grocery shopping. Here's where you find the chicken bacon, you dumb. It's literally in the bacon section. Typically it's gonna be probably around where you would find like turkey bacon and stuff like that. And this is the brand I get. Al fresco. All right, the next thing we need is a little bit of provolone cheese. But we have someone hogging the cheese section. Just sitting there. Just taking her fucking time. Just kidding.
It's like she's at a petting zoo.
Thanks. All right, provolone cheese, where are you at? Oh, baby Swiss. Baby Swiss. Grab it. Right, unload those groceries. I have a pull in my calf. I'm making sure it's okay.
I don't think you've unloaded or loaded groceries.
That's bullshit.
5 times.
That's not real.
In 2 years.
Well, my calf's been bothering me for 2 years.
Right.
Oh, crap. Oh, it's still going. Hold on, I can get it. Oh, you got it.
Hold on, wait after. Oh, no.
Oh, you're already doing it. Sorry.
Hello, this is Bill.
Hi, this is Wyatt. Sorry I missed your call.
It's away. I didn't know if someone was going to be around. I'll see you shortly then.
Perfect, thank you.
Guys, we have not had a dishwasher in
6 months at least.
Yeah,
Well, I mean,
since February.
February.
Since her surgery, when I flooded the house. So that was crazy trauma. So we're getting a new dishwasher, yay! Very exciting things happening today. We haven't cooked since our cooking video from Joshua Weissman's recipe book. We literally recorded for like 5 hours. Yeah. That was crazy. Well, this one takes way shorter.
Very easy.
So let's get to it. All right, welcome to our kitchen where we are now gonna be making our meatball subs. They're low calorie. Right, do you know the approximate macros off the top of your actual head?
20 fat, 35 carb, 43 protein.
Okay, awesome. So we will make sure to put the full recipe in the comments below or in the description box, whichever one I end up doing, to be quite honest. So the only thing that we are using is going to be our 92.8 beef, thin sliced provolone. We have some pasta sauce. You can do whatever of your own choice. Cottage cheese, we're aiming for low fat, 1%. Small curd, which sounds disgusting. Minced garlic, an onion, and our sub buns. Step 1, get your favorite mixing bowl. Ours happens to be metal and very nice. And make sure that we start our oven. So we're starting that before we start preparing. In order to make the actual meatballs, now we need to mix all our ingredients into the bowl without getting my fake nails in it. That is going to be the real challenge here, considering that these are just press-on nails.
We're under 1.5 nails fall off during this video.
Someone's eating a glazed donut nail today. Kind of just measured with my heart.
My eyes are watering from running. Making the ball.
We got to make the balls. Not necessarily a difference in like how you would track this. If I were you, I would just put it into your tracking, whatever you're using. I use my Macros Plus and kind of create your own recipe. End up logging everything as like one big amount. So like 200 grams of cottage cheese, 16 ounces of beef, however, you know, whatever as a whole. And then from there, after you create that recipe and you go to log that recipe, you can then divide it by how many you actually, how many meatballs you actually eat or like have on your sub. So that would be the easiest way for you to do it. The only thing that I'm gonna do, because I am in a building phase and macros are kind of, I'm able to play with them a little bit and not have to be so strategic, I'm genuinely just gonna track it per the nutrition facts, which again are 43 protein, 32 carb, 20 fat. I'm gonna go ahead, put the meatballs in. Literally when they come out, you just put them in the sauce, which is super easy to make right over here on the stovetop. Then you put them all together, you add the cheese, and that's literally it. And it's fucking good.
I got instructions to finish the video because Des left. She gave me two things. Keep it short and sweet and don't talk too much. So, dude, these came out perfect. The lighting sucks because of my big ass head. We start the sauce. Now, put your tomato sauce, cottage cheese, which is optional by the way, but adds more protein, and your meatballs that are now out of the oven and done into a pot, and we're gonna let them simmer. Should probably measure, huh? Oh, and it calls to blend this, so it's not, you know, curdy, but I'm too lazy and it doesn't really matter. You don't really taste the cottage cheese, it's really just for protein addition more than anything.
We're not doing it.
It's 86 grams, but that'll work. By the way, look at these things. Look how good they look. It's a good looking meatball. Stir them up. Now it's done. Now we just plate them up and put them on the buns. So I'll get those ready and show you that. I'm gonna do 4 meatballs. Spread that out a little bit, hot and steamy. Probably could do 3, that one was pretty small. And then top it off with some sauce, I added a little bit more cheese. I like a little bit on the bottom and top, so doing there. You can add some Parmesan if you want, but I'm not. So we're gonna take this and throw it in the oven. Set that thing to max broil. Probably shouldn't do a paper plate, huh? Probably shouldn't do a plastic plate, huh? I'm not really thinking this through. I'll just put it back on this. There you go. Start that thing. Doesn't take long. I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. I'm checking it. That's it. That's really it for you. I'm gonna try a meatball since we're waiting. Dude, spot on. Don't make fun of how I just housed that whole thing. Thick feeling meal, but for them macros, you can't beat it. It's done. Look at that. Dude. I mean, come on. Get a cross section for you. What do you say? Look at this thing. Just cut into it. Look at that. Just a protein-packed mess of a sub. I'll show you me eating it, because that'd be cool. Look at that, dude. That's what you want. You couldn't tell me that this is a lower calorie. Oh, man. You saw it. That's unreal.
That is where it's at.
Make this, you won't regret it. Great dinner meal, super easy. You're letting the oven do the work most of the time. Turn me up, that's so good. So.
Hello! What?
Hold on. Des, I made it. Your meatball sub's done.
What?
Oh.
My balls are done?
Oh.
My big, juicy cottage cheese filled balls.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm back. I just went and got my forehead injected and I couldn't do my lips because I'll tell you guys on the podcast. But regardless, let's take a taste test. Hold on, I gotta take a... What if I just took out my teeth?
Amazing. Everybody like, what the fuck? Trust me all the way.
Mamma mia, meatballs. Wow. I mean, perfectly done, perfectly executed. Thank you, Wyatt. You guys have to make this. Back in my bathroom to, as always, finish up our vlog. I just got done recording my podcast, which you can always listen every Sunday on Brunch with Desby, whether it be on YouTube, Apple, Spotify, wherever you listen to podcasts or get your podcast. And as always, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know if you liked this. I feel like it was only, you know, tradition that we end here in the beautiful bathroom that is mine. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Make sure you comment below if you want more recipes. What do you want? What do you want? Because I can't read your mind. New video next week. We're covering all of our Petula tent sale this coming weekend. I'm super excited. If you're going to be at Columbus and going to be at the Petula tent sale, comment below so that I can make sure I say hi to you. Love you guys, and I'll see you next video.